Hey folks, SJ Pac-Man here, bringing you another computer tech unboxing. Today I've got the h100i V2 here. This one is updated for the am4 platform, so it will have the bracket to be able to install it, unlike my old one, which came out about a year before the am4 socket. So sucks, I had to get a new one, but it is what it is. This cooler is a 240 millimeter cooler. It has two 120 millimeter fans. They are relatively quiet. The pump, let's see if I can find a picture of the pump on here. Of course not with the sticker on it. So let's start the actual unboxing so you can see the pretty pictures. The pump on this is RGB. I actually had no idea. I thought it was only white previously, but just recently was playing around in the software and found that the color right here is RGB. This has a 5-year warranty on it from the manufacturer, and comes with the Corsair Link software, which is actually pretty easy to use. I've configured my own fan RPM profiles, and it's worked pretty well for me. I originally got it for my i5 2500K, which started getting pretty darn hot. Once again, Corsair boxes, they always open up from the side, so you don't end up tearing your box. Don't try to take it open from the top. I know I had that issue before. Let's see what else it says on the front here. Superior liquid cooling, dual radiator, and Corsair Link customizable control. Blah blah blah. Same things over there for the Hydro series. Same things. Features, cold plate. Yeah, it says a whole lot of nothing on this as far as that goes. Customizable performance. On the back here, it does show you the dimensions: 125 millimeters wide. 15 millimeters from point to point, so your fans have to be able to fit within that. 276 millimeters long, 30 inches thick, 55 with the fans on. This is your ambient temperatures on coolers. This is nonsense. That could be based on anything. Technical specifications. Superior performance, yada yada yada. Not a whole lot on the outside of the unit. So I'll show you what you get in the box. Oh, it's tight. Warranty against defects. Notification for Australian customers. QC pass thing. Warranty guide. Thing about it. And instructions for how to mount an AMD mounting bracket. This will be important for me. Bracket is included for AMD socket types, yada yada yada. Insert the am4 standoffs into the original AMD backplate. Okay, so you use the same old backplate, they just give you a new bracket. Cool. First two little boxes are your fans. They appear to be identical to my old ones. Somehow they look thinner. They seem to be identical. You get two of those. Each one is 120 millimeter. These are high static pressure fans. I don't think that they're anything crazy. If you're trying to get a couple more degrees out of it, you could probably get some Noctua fans and pick up a couple more degrees on your cooling. Just want to make sure that was still recording. Inside this bag we have the couple of brackets. This one is for the Intel base. If you're sticking, or if you have the Intel, you don't have to change the bracket on here. but you will have to put this adjustable plate under there. That's so you can put it on the different sized sockets. I think it goes all the way down to 775 to 1366 LGA. So that's what the little slides are for on that. D bracket, it's pretty rigid, not too bad. The rest of this is various standoffs, a couple thumb screws, mounting your radiator screws. So just a hardware pack in there. This cable here is to power the pump. This side will plug into the pump. This side will plug into one of your USB headers, and that's how it controls the speed on the pump. The rest of this stuff is all hard to get out of the way. You have to take it out all at once. I'll also out for the radiator side. Alright, so there's the new rad. Pretty good looking on the cleanliness of the radiator build here. I don't see any defects at all. Everything looks clean. This matches perfectly with the build that I've got going. I'm doing a black and gray build with white LED accents. I'm not a big RGB guy, so this is right up my alley, especially because Corsair seems to really like the black and silver. So let's take a look here at the cold plate. Comes with some crappy thermal paste on there. I will be removing that. I have not replaced this bracket before, but I believe you just twist it. No. How do you switch to the back bracket? Mounting the anti-bracket. Bracket not included. Here's the 4 indicator holes. Not a whole lot of info there. I guess you have to take off these 4 screws here, and that will let this part free. Oh, I can't believe that. I will have to Google that and check it out. But that's how it kind of seems at this point. Oh man, I'm surprised to see that. A little bit hesitant on unscrewing things on a cold plate, but why not? So these 2 guys here are for the fans. The fans are capable of being plugged right into these, and then this will plug into your CPU fan plug to monitor the speeds. You can see that these plug in just like so. So you don't have to take up any extra slots when you hook them up. So that is that. Yeah, man, I'm pretty surprised about having to do that for the bracket. That kind of sucks. I'm not thrilled about that. Anything else come in the box? Any badge or anything like that? Doesn't look like it. But I have bent these tubes quite a bit on my previous one. They are pretty flexible, as you can see here. They will do pretty hard 90s. From what I understand, you're not supposed to do this. This is not something that is a goal, but can be done. The only place you need to be careful is right here where they socket. It's going to be the primary concern, and also where they socket into the pump head. Well, this one just looks shinier, I guess, because it's new. But so that is the Corsair h100i V2, and I will be doing a build vlog here in the next day or so on building my new am4 Ryzen X or 2700X on the X470 Asus Master motherboard. So stay tuned for that. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe for further videos. Thanks for watching.